Hey everyone, so in a world of 15-second trends, what does it mean for something to last almost 20 years? Now, I've spoken about this just recently, but please listen again. No, it's not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by them actually. We're constantly chasing the next big thing. The filter in a bottle, that one product that will finally change everything. And of course, we end up with a drawer full of things that, well, cover us up. They just kind of hide us, and we don't want that. That's where, again, NARS Sheer Glow comes in. It hasn't changed because it didn't need to. See, it was never about hiding your skin. It's about letting your skin be seen. It is a whisper of coverage, a hint of light. It doesn't make you look perfect. It makes you look real, like the best version of your own skin. And that's what I want. It works for everyone at any age because it was never trying to fit into a moment, but it created one. And maybe the secret isn't about finding what's new, but rediscovering the thing that got it right from the very beginning. Because of course, perfection was never a trend, was it? Thanks for your time, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Subscribe. I've run out of ways to look humble about it.